Hello everybody, I'm Shishupal Singh and today I have created a new YouTube channel that is a very beneficial to you because on this channel I'll put a video every day relative your computer course which will be very beneficial to us. So my all dear friends, let's have a look which courses are available to us. So let's see. So my all dear friends, as you see, basically all 40 courses are available on this channel like Advanced Excel, Tally RP9, Triple C, MS Office, CFA, BCC, DCA, DCA with Tally, ADCA, Photoshop, Corel Draw, English Typing, Hindi Typing, CCBG, CCAT, CCAE, CCBF, and I, C and C++, CCCA, CCE, CCDW, CCT, CCTE, CCTH, CCEO, COAI, GWC, SHC, CCA, CTTC, DCATT, DCAA, DCTE, and H, DTP, DES, DOAP, ADVI, and DIT, HDCA, and at last is PGDCA. So we have a lot of courses available in this channel. My all dear friends, I hope you like the YouTube channel. So you like the video, so do not forget the like and subscribe button. My all dear friends, that's enough for today and see you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.